Okay, I was doing some tests for Xee last night and I stumbled across a configuration which will run the xenon tube right down to 100 microamps. And the modification which allows that is this here. Basically, we have the capacitor, which is a 334K, 0.33 microfarads, and across the capacitor we have a 10 meg variable pot. So that's in parallel with the cap now. And the test I was doing for Xee last night, he asked me to remove the diode and see how it would run with just a capacitor on the base. Now, if I remove the diode and just have the cap in series with the base, what happens is the capacitor charges up to the supply voltage and the current draw slowly decreases until the circuit comes to a dead stop. That's with the larger capacitor. If you use a small one like this, the effect is instantaneously. It just charges instantly to the supply voltage and the circuit cuts out. But I put my multimeter across this capacitor to measure the voltage and the circuit fired up again and it was drawing 100 microamps. So I went to bed last night thinking about it and I woke up this morning and basically what's happening is the voltmeter is draining some voltage off this cap, which is allowing the circuit to fire. So I put a 10 meg, well I put 4 meg, I don't have a 10 meg, but 10 meg would be better. So if you put a big resistor in parallel with the cap, you'll be able to achieve this effect without having a multimeter. So I'll just show you the circuit running. Right, it's there flashing away. And that's drawing 1.7 milliamps. And I can turn it up, but I've got it just set quite nicely there, so the neon bulb's flashing as well. That's the back EMF on the transistor. Now this now has the voltmeter in parallel with the capacitor, which is here, this little 334K. So what I'll do now is I'll just take the voltmeter out of the circuit and connect a 4 meg of resistance. That's the highest I've got. So that's 4 meg resistance connected now, so it's drawing 4.2 milliamps. That's pretty impressive for 4.2 milliamps. So basically this is acting more like the Jouleringer kind of thing now, because it will run on the large capacitor. Last night I had it for going up, well I switched it off after an hour because I went to bed, but yeah, just something else to experiment with. Okay, thanks for watching.